Anytime you're craving a bolillo, just make them at home. Super easy, and I'm going to show you how I made mine. These have jalapeno and cream cheese, and they came out super delicious. Now, I know you all want one of these, so let's get started with the recipe. I have 1.5 cups of warm water, half tablespoon of sugar, and a half tablespoon of yeast. Let that activate for about 10 minutes. In the stand mixer, I have 3.5 cups of bread flour. Bread flour is best for this recipe. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Give it a quick whisk, adding in the activated yeast. And now with the hook attachment, mix it for 10 minutes. Once it pulls away from the bowl, then it's ready, and your dough should be slightly sticky. Knead it for about 3 minutes. Add it to an oiled bowl, and then gonna cover that and let that rise for 1 hour. It could take longer depending on the temperature of your house. Meanwhile, I have room temperature cream cheese, just one package, along with some pickled jalapenos that I diced up. Just mixing that together, and that's ready. Once the dough has risen, punch it down, and it's time to divide it. I got 12 pieces. If you want to make them smaller, you're going to get more. If you're going to make them larger, you're going to get less. So it's all up to you. I measured mine to 70 grams each. Forming it into a ball. And the way you do this, just flatten, add your cream cheese mixture, fold it, and then you're going to close it from the top. And make sure to pinch it so that nothing comes out. Once I was done with all of them, I'm going to place them on my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover that and let those rise for another 30 minutes. Dusting it with flour. Using a bread knife, I'm going to cut a slit on the top. My oven is preheated at 450 degrees. Meanwhile, I did add a tray on the bottom with water. So you want to do that before you add your bread in there. Bake these from 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Remove from the oven, and these absolutely look gorgeous. Not only that, they taste super delicious. Listen to that crust. These come out way better than store-bought. And as soon as I started adding these to my basket, they were gone in seconds. And there you go. These were super hot, so oh my gosh, I had to open it. I had to show you guys just how good they look. Look at all that cream cheese, the jalapeno. Best thing about these is that when you make them at home, you can add as much or as little as you want. Woo! Yes, super hot. But they taste better when they're hot. I hope you enjoy as much as I did.